do you like him, Khalil?
I like Khalil, but I also like Julian.
Julian
So-
Estrada.
Yeah.
They were here together.
Nililigawan siya nililigawan ka nung pareho na yon?
No,
Hindi
di
pa
ba?
ata.
No naman.
Wala pa.
I just like both of them, but I'll leave
Wait
the choice
sandali,
to
si
Julian.
Khalil, kasama mong nanood ng Demi Lovato, di ba?
Ay, it wasn't planned. Not really. It wasn't
Nagkita
planned.
lang? Sarah?
No, kasi I asked for tickets. So, syempre, yung nakuha kong tickets, ano siya, yung VIP, he was the opening act. So, para kaming play, hindi yun planned.
Opening act mo.
So is Julian also making forma?
No naman, I just think they're both good for Julia, so I'll leave the choice to her.
Ay, yung dalawa gusto, bongga.
Madaling. Tama rin naman. Yung atin na ang pumili. So far, sino ba ang lumalamang-lamang sa dalawa na yan?
Yes.
No, I don't want
Yeah, pero I do think naman your mom can tell you na, uy, later na. Kasi pwede mo siyang balikan. What about you, mom? diba? Parang ganun.
Oo nga naman, Marge.
No, so
Hindi,
parang,
pag sinasabi
baka
ko-
i-guide ka lang, diba?
Hindi, pag sinasabi ko, how about you, Mom? You 16, you're the one. That's why, Julia, you have to learn from my mistakes. Yun yung
Oo.
way niya. Pero it's really my decision also na I don't wanna have a relationship muna. Kasi, I mean, I'm starting off again and I really wanna focus on my
The
career.
boys muna.
No, on my
Wait,
career.
you wanna focus on the boys?
I
Kasi
don't-
dapat.
Sa career muna.
Yes.
Tama rin naman.
Pero okay, ito, syempre 'di ba, yung alam mo na when you enter this world, you open yourself up to so much criticism na parang everybody can say all the mean things they want to say about you because you're public and wala kang choice, kailangan tanggapin mo yon. Hindi ikaw ang tatanungin ko, yung sister mo ang tatanungin ko. Syempre pag na-accuse yung sister mo na ang arte-arte, anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
I don't really wanna mind them and I don't want to make them feel like we're affected because we know who Julia is and we know she's not that way. So, we just don't mind.
Dead ma lang.
May mo-okay na ba sa isa mga Twitter na ganyan?
Siyempre,
Instagram na you're maarte daw?
Oo. Grabe.
Oh my gosh! Kung ganyan naman ako ganda, ganyan din ako magsalita, no?
I can't please everyone and I don't intend naman to please everybody. So, you know, I'm gonna be myself. This is me. If you can't accept me for who I am, okay lang.
And
Ay, good
question
luck.
for Marco. Marco, may inaway ka daw para kay Michelle.
Ay,
Oo.
Sino? Babae? Lalaki?
Bakla.
Oh my God.
anong
Go
ginawa?
na, go na.
Go ate, anong ginawa?
It was very personal na because it was about my family already, not about me anymore. Because whenever people bash me, I don't really care.
What is this? Sa...
Personal sa
Hindi,
Twitter?
sa larangan
Opo.
ng paglaro?
Volleyball po.
Okay.
So, fan siya ng Ateneo?
Yeah.
O tapos?
So, even before, he would bash me already.
Tapos?
And what hurt me most was he's close pa to some of my best friends, to my sister. So it was really...
Tapos kung ano-anong pinagsasabi?
Opo, so parang, for me, don't post it in public na because even my sisters can see.
Saan niya pinost?
On Twitter.
O tapos nabasa mo, Marco?
Yeah.
So what did you do?
Actually, yung buong family namin yung nakipag-away sa kanya. Because, sakto, we watch anong play yun? King and I.
Aladdin.
We
We watched
watched
Aladdin.
You also watched
Yeah.
Aladdin
Sa Meralco.
in Meralco Theater
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Aiza? Ganda. Oh, and
So we
then?
watched and then sakto nga dun siya. Parang organizer yata siya. And then yung mom, ayun, parang we passed by.
My mom was
nakatayo
really
siya.
mad. Because what he
Alam
did...
ng mom mo.
Because what
Kasi
he did...
tweet daw eh.
Opo, wasn't about me anymore. It was about my dad.
About the mga cases
Opo.
before?
So he brought everything back na maybe because I'm mayabang or I'm a player because my dad was like that before. So he
Anong
really...
connect?
Yun nga po. So
Hello?
doon nagalit yung family ko. Not about
Nanlalait
me.
lang.
Because when he calls me ugly, then ako wala naman akong ginagawa. But
Oo
when,
naman, nakakatawa naman sabihan kang ugly sa ilang mukha.
Correct! Diyos ko,
Ano ba
lakas
naman
sa
yan?
loob.
So when he
Tapos?
started posting stuff about my dad, that affected my whole family talaga. Because it was being brought out in the public. Again, it died down na.
No, and now that your dad is a pastor, I sincerely believe that na you can become a new person in Christ.
Yeah.
Lahat ng tao pinagbibigyan ng pagkakataong magbago.
Totoo.
Second chance.
Yeah, di ba?
So, anong ginawa mo? Binugbog mo ba?
Hindi naman.
Oh,
plano ko sana. Hindi, sakto pa uwi na kami. I was with my sister, siya and yung boyfriend
What do
niya.
you mean plano? Pinagpaplanuhan mo.
Naisipan mo talaga?
It
Wag
was
na.
my dad who was, parang Marco was like, ito na yung chance. Dito na tayo lahat. So I was like, ano ba kayo? Parang breeding naman ako. Ante, tayo yung,
Correct.
tayo
Huwag
yung
mong
family.
patulan.
Tapos my dad also got mad at them.
So what did you do? Yung totoo.
Parang wala naman. di naman namin talagang plano na talagang bugbugin talaga. Parang nagpaparinig lang kami. Parang
Marco.
inaasar-asar lang namin.
Hindi, pero I guess, yung ano siguro, it's a lesson for all of you,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na, of course, when you're in the public eye, as it is with both of you also, 'di ba, you need to prepare yourself for those who will really throw stones. And talaga, it takes so much moral courage to not fight back. Deadma, hayaan mo na lang, 'di ba? Kasi, like in your case, both of you, so many doors are opening up. And kayo nag-champion, 'di ba? O, di okay na yun. Yun yung...
Good vibes, positive.
Oo, tapos yun na nga. And sa inyong dalawa naman, at the end of the day, ako, I really sincerely believe this, na it's family that will give you strength. Kasi, di ba, when the fame is over, when the money is not as much, it's family who will always be there. So, alagaan yung isa't isa. Make sure of that. When we come back, I have to ask, the two girls, kasi, are you able to talk about boys, honestly? Or, yung ano talaga, medyo ina-avoid nyo na lang kasi kesa pag natanong ng nanay, at least walang alam. Oh, sa pagbabalik yan ng Chris TV. Okay, I have to ask the two of you. Do you ask her about
Mas
Kalian,
madali
about
yata pag
Julian? Or
parehong girls di ba?
they tell each other or
We
wag
tell
na lang?
each other everything. Actually, we do kasi. We're also open sa mom. Ah, really? I tell my mom
Talaga si
everything.
Marjorie.
Good for you!
Because
Okay.
I'm scared rin. Ayoko yung nagtatago sa mom ko.
Ay,
So it's
baka.
better if she's aware of everything.
Sinasabi mo, and what does your mom say?
She listens. She listens. Pero hindi naman siya yung nagre-reklamo. When she knows it's wrong, she'll tell me.
But you're able to tell her, like, if they're making pa-cute,
Oh, yeah.
if they're making paramdam-paramdam.
Yes.
And what does she say?
Wala yun sa kanya.
Talaga?
Kasi naman, hindi naman yung sa point na I'm gonna be with them na, you know, kwentuhan lang at night. Tapos yun, she's just gonna listen.
Kwento-kwentuhan at night with your mom or with them?
My mom.
Them, are they allowed to make dalaw in your house? Not yet.
I know they haven't gone.
Ay, hindi.
Eh, akala ko sabi ni Karil, na-meet na yung family mo.
Oh, they've nila meet.
They've all
Mall
met
shows.
my family kasi my mom goes to like my mall shows.
Mali nga ang pagkaintindi ko din.
Ah,
Nung
yung
sinabi
ano-
ni Khalil, akala ko umakit na ng ligaw.
Ah,
ganun
no.
Yung pala,
tayo.
na-meet lang casually sa mall show.
The whole circle, na-meet na nila yung buong family
Kasi
ko.
sabi niya na ano daw, mabait naman daw, magandang pakikitungo sa kanya. So akala ko talaga, pumunta na.
Di na.
Ba nagmumosyo ba kayo lang dalawa ni Karil?
Ay,
Di ba
no.
buong Star Magic
The group.
13 kayo?
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi my mom goes backstage, right? So, nami-meet niya lahat. Lahat ng guys, lahat ng girls. And mabait kasi yung mom ko sa lahat. So, but may right naman siyang sabihin na mabait yung mom ko sa kanya.
Nice.
Tama
Oh, wait.
naman.
Claudia, now that parang it's all starting for her again, what are you praying for Julia? Etong these next few months.
Of course, I pray that whatever she dreams of will happen. And I hope that whatever God's blessing her with continues.
Sana nga talaga, no, na all good things will happen. And yung ano, for the two of you, kasi...
Ito, madali ba sa kanila? Yung pinag-uusapan, yung mga crush mo, mga naging girlfriends mo in the past, na ikikwento mo ba sa ate mo?
Alam naman nila
may-
lahat.
Di ba pag lalaki, parang mahihiya ka magsabi sa babae?
Hindi na, medyo, minsan. Pero, like for example, siya na-meet na yung ex ko before na yung matagal ko na lang naging girlfriend. Pero, yeah, sa kanya naman, open rin naman sila. Like ako, close ako sa boyfriend niya. Magkasama kami palagi, nag-basketball, ganyan.
So, you naman, what do you remind him of?
I always tell him naman it's his choice, but he should choose the girl he has to be with because that girl has to inspire him, not be a bad influence. Because being Christians and my dad, you always have to not only your showbiz image, but also your Christian image as a person.
Buti naman may ganun silang awareness.
Correct.
Yeah.
You want your sister to get into the business? Are you for it? Na mag-artista
Yeah, of
siya?
course.
Okay.
Siyempre, mas masaya pag kaming dalawa, di ba?
What are your limitations?
Me, when it comes to roles, because a lot of people are asking me, what do you want to do in show business? And I always answer naman na, minsan, gusto ko a news casting or sports casting. But they say na, ayaw mo mag-artista like Marco. Then I say, medyo ipit ako sa roles because I don't like roles wherein you have to kiss or you have to show like extreme affection talaga. I'm really...
Yung term na yun, extreme affection.
Extreme affection. Hindi mo mahihirapan ka pag sa ganung
Opo,
eksena.
mahihirapan talaga
Hindi,
ako.
and medyo mahirap kasi you're really tall. Kung konti yung little men mo.
Ayun, isa pa yun.
But at least nga you have each other. Yung ano talaga, yun ang maganda. And eto, growing up together, kasi ako, I didn't have that advantage. Ang laki-laki ng age gap. Parang I can see na iba yung closest inyo because you can really relate to each other, di ba?
2 years lang ang pagitan.
So yung ano, what's the best thing about your sister, about Claudia?
About Clara, she's someone na I can run to. And siya yung type of person na whatever na maikwento mo sa kanya, she's not gonna judge you for it. And that's why I like talking to Chloe. And she's very smart. She's very wise.
Ikaw, Chloe, anong best thing about Julia?
She's very supportive because I'm a football player. So sometimes she watches my game. And she's someone I can run to as well. I can just talk to her about anything.
The two of you, what's the best thing about each other?
Well, for my sister naman, she's really disciplined. Not because sa sports, pero pati sa studies. Like, for example, before kasi, first term sa Lasal, we lived together sa TAF mismo. Siya yung lagi nagsasabi sa akin, mag-aral ka, huwag ka naman puro barkada dyan sa TAF. Kasi TAF, madaming, diba, daming places na pwedeng puntahan. So, siya yung nagsasabi na sa akin na, study na, ganyan, umuwi ka na.
So parang at least naka-focus talaga.
At sa ating ate. Cute.
Oh, what about Marco? What's the best thing about
For
him?
Marco, he's always there to help. Not only when it comes to my volleyball career, but in anything. Like, if I need a driver, he's there. If I, for example, need someone to talk to, he's there. And, yun, he's always there for me. Not only for me naman, but also for my sisters. He's very malambing. He has his own way of being malambing talaga.
Bongga.
Ang sweet naman.
Hindi, ang ganda ng relationship nila, sweet. Nakakatuwa. Kasi,
Yung lambingan namin ni Asha, physical eh. Actually, before when I was young pa, nagka-stitches ako dito sa chin.
why?
Because yung
Nagkaharutan
bonding
sila.
namin,
Wrestling?
December pa yata nun, diba? December.
We usually do wrestling.
Hindi, tsaka yung, she threw, a toy at me. Tapos tumama sa paa ko, tapos nahulog ako. Tapos chin first dun sa bed. Bukasin na bukasin dito. Pero yun yung bonding namin. Tapos ako naman,
Until
ginantihan ko siya.
now.
Ginantihan ko siya, binato ko siya ng toy. Dito tumama, dumugo rin. Oh my God! Pero yung bonding namin, iba rin.
Ang tari naman ng banding na yan.
Batuhan lang.
Batuhan.
Duguan lang. Oo.
Pero at the end of the day, bati kami lahat.
Kasi wala siyang kalaro na lalaki.
So kayo yung mga naging lalaki. Bongga.
Siguro.
Kayo, may batuhan kayo, pretty girls? Or dahil magaganda kayo, walang ganon?
When we were young, we used to pull each other's hair. Yun. Ang sakit nun.
Sa bunutan.
Sa bunutan.
Yun lang.
Oo, yun lang.
Oh, yun lang, at least, di ba?
At least, pagbata naman yata gano'n.
You know, it was so nice to see them kasi we hear so many times, diba, about families na nagkakaproblema, hindi nagkakasundo, pero ang ganda-gandang makita na talagang solid yung pagmamahala nila. And I think that's so inspiring to start the day. I'm sure lahat kayo din, di ba? Lalo nyong na-appreciate yung mga kapatid na meron kayo. Thanks for being here, sweet.
Tama, you're welcome anytime.